Good day, this is Nathaniel with AGL Yacht Sales, and today we're going to take a look at a 1999 Carver 404 motor yacht. You could call it a CPMY if you wanted to. That's a motor yacht with a cockpit. So the aft cabin has a nice walkout into the aft cockpit, and of course you got that fly bridge up top, salon in the center, and a V-berth up front. Very spacious boat inside. Let's go take a look. Thanks for taking a look at this Carver 404 motor yacht with me today. She's a beautiful boat. If you're interested in this boat or something like it or something completely different, please give me a call. 619-313-3664, and I'd be happy to help you with that. The listing broker on this is Leilani Wales, our broker of record. You can call her too if you want.